Good morning, students. So we will continue with C programming. This is structure of C programming. So when we talk about real world English language, Hindi language, so all languages have some on structure, okay, and as per on rules, okay. If we talk about English, so lots of rules available. First we start with um, first word, first character capital, or if we complete sentence we need to put point, and if we have some questions, so question mark option, so lots of uh, rules are available every language in term of real life, okay. So when we talk about programming language, so programming language also have lots of set of rules. So this is the structure of C programming, and start with include stdio.h. This is the preprocessor directive, okay. So when we start your C program, so you have to write these two statements: has include stdio.h. This is has, starting from this has, okay, and this is the include uh, and stdio.h. This is the preprocessor directive and the different concept in C programming. So std for standard IO input output dot h header file. This is for header file, and this is include conio io co and console input output dot h for header console. If you need to show the any message on console, what do you mean by console? If we talk about in C programming or in DOS operating system, so black window known as a console, okay. So if we need to print any result or any string on console, so we need this type of header file. So these are the header file and contains lots of files in these header files. For example, we need to control input output activities, so we use standard IO header file. And if we need show the print on your screen on console, so we have co conio.h, okay. So these are the preprocessor directive, and these are the predefined in C compiler. So these two lines shows the contain the lots of files. And now we will talk about void main, and void main is function. So function have some specific task for doing specific problem, okay. So here void main is function and is starting point. You must type here void main in every program, okay. So this is must step void main function. So function, all the functions denoted by the this declaration is this, like we use small brackets, okay. These are the brackets we use in functions. So this is about starting point, this is starting, and these are the curly braces, uh, two curly braces. When we entering in program C program, we use curly braces, and after the ending of program we use close curly brace, opening curly braces and close curly braces. So when we talk about basic structure, so you can take you can see here has, this is the special symbol, and include, okay. And here you can type header file, and we header file name anything, like we need stdio dot operator shows the which type of files. H for header file. Okay, so std for standard input output, and we can use console conio.h console input output dot header file. So these are the predefined files, and these files contain in compiler. Okay, so this is about the basic thing. Now we will talk about the basic structure. We use hash, and here we will put header file, and lots of header files are available. You can use as per your requirement. Now uh, when inputting the type the header file, you need uh, main function void main function. So this we will use brackets, and here opening curly braces, and here close curly braces, and here we will put the statements. Okay, so this is about your basic structure of C programming. You can see this is the open, and this for close. Okay, and this is the starting point. Okay, so this is about basic structure of C programming. Now we are moving on our book, and here you can see CLRs, SCRs. This is the clear screen function, and we use for clear the output repeatedly. For example, we have created a program to print hello prachi. So first we execute prachi hello showing, and second so two times showing, and three time, four time, whenever uh, when we lots of time execute our program. So uh, according to execution, this will show the print, this will show the result. Okay, so clear screen clear the previous output. Okay, in simply. So printf showing the print message on console, and get ch holds the screen when we execute the program. So this will hold the screen. Okay, so this is about the basic structure of C programming. Thank you.